Hi, my name is Joe Norman. I'm the messenger sent to you today with some really good news. Today, almost everyone has a checking or a savings account. Debit cards are popular and convenient as well. If you have a checking or a savings account or both, you need to know about a company offering a fantastic alternative for your money that we want to bring to your attention today. Inflation is back. It's in the news. It's for real. Experts say it may already be well over 10%. Bank deposits and money market funds in this environment are only paying at most about 2% if you're lucky over the course of an entire year. And the question is, can you afford to lose 8% just for your banking privileges? That's a lot of lost purchasing power. Well, experts say inflation may be running well over 10%, and look at the evidence here. Wheat prices, cotton, everything is just spiraling out of control here, and rising prices are definitely a reality, and it takes more currency these days to buy the things that we need to function on a daily basis. Raw materials and commodities are on the move. Look at gold and silver prices. They are at or near record highs. And that's why financial experts are advising their clients to have at least 5 to as much as 20% of their assets in gold and silver in this volatile world economy. Well, today it's my pleasure to introduce you to the absolute best way to follow their advice. KB is a company that offers the world's first and only private global currency exchange system where fiat paper currency can be exchanged for gold and silver bullion. And account holders with KB can actually exchange cash for these gold and silver bullions in smaller, more transaction-friendly weights, as small as 1/2 gram. This way, if inflation goes up, so does your account balance because you are leveraged to gold. Everywhere you turn, you see ads telling people to exchange their gold for cash, and it's another case of the rich buying for pennies on the dollar from people that are desperate for cash. The KB program encourages people to do just the opposite. They encourage people to exchange their cash for gold. In the next 10 minutes, I will present a very exciting alternative for your money. This company, KB, has a program that is attracting people that are looking for a better way to create a hedge against inflation, conserve and multiply their capital. With KB's plan, if inflation goes up, so does your account balance because, again, you're leveraged to gold. Let me share some research we have done regarding the history, growth, and development, as well as the track record of this exciting company. KB, in case you're wondering, stands for Capital and Business. It's a financially secure, debt-free, and fully self-funded financial institution with over 17 years of successful operations. They conduct operations from 2 corporate offices. One's in Munich, the other's in Stuttgart, Germany. In the last few years, they acquired some very impressive and timely assets in the mining industry. KB acquired the mining rights for a site located in Turkey a few years ago, and then a short time later founded a private gold refinery in Istanbul, Turkey. Suddenly they owned and controlled 2 very timely and impressive assets. They're the first and only company to not only own and control their own mines, but also own and control their own private refinery, mint, and production facility. There's currently about 95 top-tier refineries in the world. 89 of those are either government-owned or controlled. Only 6 are privately owned and controlled, and KB is one of those 6. KB's refinery also uses green technology, we learned. KB does not use any toxic chemicals that are harmful to the environment. They're also debt-free. Everything they own, all their assets paid for in cash. Their mines, mining rights, refinery machines, equipment, and even their company cars. Well, due to the credibility and influence of the management team and their track record of success in business, another powerful asset became available for KB, that being the precious metal depository in St. Gotthard, Massif, Switzerland. These are the same vaults the Swiss government uses to store their gold, and this addition was a turning point for KB corporate. And they lacked really only one component, and that was a distribution model for their precious metals. In May of 2008, they spun off a sales and marketing division, offering the world's first and only gold and silver purchase and savings program to the masses through person-to-person referrals. KB's plan is an easy and more affordable way to own gold and silver in these smaller, more transaction-friendly weights. The plan was, and still is to this day, to bring 999.9 Kinnabar grade bullion products to the consumer through word-of-mouth referral marketing. Once an account is established, clients can take a dollar cost averaging approach and make regular monthly deposits and bullion purchases. Account holders can also make lump sum or one-time deposits and purchases, or periodic cash deposits and purchases. You can literally customize a plan that best suits you, and KB affiliates and customers actually do not spend money. What we do is exchange paper fiat currency for gold or silver. That's another form of currency. And when we refer others that do this, this is commissionable activity for KB affiliates. And when an account holder deposits cash, it can be exchanged for gold or silver bullion in the exchange rate for that day. And no need to be concerned about liquidity either, because your gold or silver can be exchanged back to cash in any currency at any time. This model's been a huge success in Central Europe. In fact, KB and their precious metal plan has actually been recommended and is recommended by Bundesspar, an independent German consumer watchdog organization. The product that we're talking about here is Kinnebar grade 999.9 bullion. And when we exchange paper currency for gold, your gold is going to come embedded into a product card, just like you see right here on the screen. And the KB bullion is Kinnebar grade, which is the very highest grade and quality produced by only a handful of companies in the world. The Kinnebar hologram and serial number ensures that the bullion you acquire actually belongs to you, and that your bullion will always keep its value after it leaves the vault if and when it's shipped to you. KB's bullion is audited and certified for purity and weight by the Swiss government. KB has created a new and exciting way to acquire gold and silver, and their plan eliminates middleman profits, creates a way for their clients to actually buy direct from the company that pulls it out of the ground, where everyone else that buys their gold or silver is going to buy it after it's passed through traditional channels, starting with the mining company. You know they're going to take their profits when they sell to a refinery. The refinery is going to take profits when they sell to a wholesaler, and the wholesaler, broker, or internet site, they're going to take profits when they sell to open market buyers. KB has an incredible tactical advantage in the marketplace because they own their own mines, refinery, mint, and distribution rights. They are completely vertical. And this unique combination of company-owned assets expands their profit margins and positions them for tremendous profitability and worldwide growth, not to mention have ample funds to be able to grossly overpay people like us that are willing and able to refer other people. Well, due to the explosive growth that has occurred in Central Europe, global expansion plans are underway. Their bullion purchase plans empower individuals and business entities to buy, sell, own, and control precious metals in these smaller weights. KB was the first to offer Kinnebar grade 1 gram bars, half-gram bars, and even has plans to offer quarter-gram bars in the near future. Remember, smaller weights are more transaction-friendly, and this unique strategy and niche creates new and more affordable way for more people to get in the game. Remember, KB members don't spend money. We exchange fiat paper currency for another form of currency, gold and silver. And the corporate financial strength and stability of KB is very obvious and evident in the fact that there are no costs whatsoever to open an account as a customer, an affiliate, or both. No setup fees, no purchase requirements, no annual renewal fees, and no website fees. This fact is very, very well received by governmental and legal regulators worldwide. There are 3 basic features of the plan. Number 1, open an account. Number 2, fund your account. And number 3, refer others. And of course, that option is absolutely optional. You don't have to do that, but a lot of people do, because you can receive referral rewards of up to 670 euros, or a little over 900 US dollars if you're here in the United States like I am, for simply referring others. It's called a customer acquisition bonus. And you can earn up to 5.5% residual income on your referrals deposits. Are there any other financial institutions paying for referrals like this? Bank of America, Chase, Wells Fargo? Of course not. KB is the first and only financial institution that we have seen that's paying members like this for referrals. Remember, account holders exchange cash for bullion in these smaller weights, and if inflation goes up, so does your account balance, because remember, you're leveraged to gold. If you're willing and able to engage as an independent affiliate, you can get paid to help people save money and create a plan to help protect and conserve assets from inflation and economic downturns. Referral earnings can even be exchanged for gold and silver bullion. Potential clients include anyone that has a checking or a savings account, and that can be individuals, families, and even business entities that need to know about this fantastic way to protect assets and hedge a portfolio by purchasing some gold and silver from KB. Part-time and full-time opportunities are available for anyone looking for a stable and lucrative way to generate new capital from KB's aggressive compensation package. The referral program is, of course, optional. Some may not be as interested in the business opportunity as others at this point in their life, but we know there's people out there with money looking for ways to hedge their portfolio, and these people find safety and security by owning some gold and silver. However, for these people, if at some time they want to refer a friend or a family member to the plan, if they're a customer, they can upgrade to affiliate for free at any time, and KB will deposit a thank you cash reward into their account. The referral rewards plan has several features to it. I'm not going to get into too much detail right now, but they do pay a customer acquisition bonus of up to €670, or about $900 for each referral that opens an account, funds their account, and does a monthly purchase plan with KB. Residual income of up to 5.5% paid on seasoned monthly plans, and commissions up to 5.5% on one-time or periodic purchases, and global bonus pools for top producers. You can go to mykbgold.us, mykbgold.us, click on the affiliate tab at the top for more details. Now, the X factor: successful affiliates. People are building huge businesses with this model, and we know that a lot of them are going to earn just incredible amounts of money. Let's use a $10,000 commission. We know people are taking a portion of their commissions and loading it onto their debit card to spend as they please, and exchanging the rest for more gold. And this feature of the plan is not even accounted for in the comp plan. That's why I call it the X factor. And these are the features and options that are available that just throws earnings into the stratosphere. And this is a commissionable activity when anytime gold or silver is purchased from KB. So you might be wondering, how do I get started? Well, get back to the person that shared this with you for starters, and you can complete a short application, create an account as a customer or an affiliate. Both options are free. Highly recommend the affiliate position, because the affiliate position will create referral rewards. Customer will not. Second step is for you to fund your account. Minimum deposit €50, a little over $65. It's a monthly plan that you own, manage, and control, and it works just like most online bank accounts. The preferred account program is also very exciting, either through deposits or commissions or a combination of both. When you have completed the purchase of 100 of the gold embedded cards, you become a preferred account holder. And your benefits is that you're always going to receive a 3% better price from that point forward when you buy, and receive 5% more from KB if you ever exchange your bullion back to cash. Also, free delivery, and all members, whether you're preferred or not, are going to enjoy KB's guaranteed best price buyback policy and their free storage in their vaults in Switzerland. We've learned over the years to win in business, there's 5 basic keys. First is, there must be a need for your product or service. Secondly, you must offer a great value and price point. Number 3, you must have a certain uniqueness. That is to say, are there other companies doing similar things? Number 4, the company must be solid, well managed, well capitalized. And number 5, and I think the most important, is timing. And KB does score higher in these 5 areas than any option I've looked at in 23 years in marketing. And gold and silver prices are also at or near record highs, and we know that it's wise to be proactive and protect yourself and your family by setting up a plan with KB today, because we know that for those that glide along with good intentions and are reactive, you don't want to be caught unprepared if the economy continues to worsen. Thank you for your time and attention. That's the presentation today. Get back to the person that invited you. Remember, more details are available on demand at mykbgold.us. Remember, you have nothing to lose to set up an account with KB today, because enrollment is free. Thank you again for your time and attention.